Wicked,
we have picture with your, we have picture with your father graduation, we have picture of your father all over the place. So that's not the case.
Exactly, because you should have said he has been in my life since I was 3 years old. But
that's not the only father you know.
Exactly.
That's not the only father you know.
When your father filed for you, the girl just lie for no reason. Just lie.
You are very calculated. You are a very calculated person. You're very calculated.
This is him, and even if I visit the home and Mr. Hi, you're good, that's it, and he go in the room and that's it, then I'll see him again. Because he's just not a very talkative person.
But when she visit the home, when them say she not go up there none at all. When she visit the home, when them say she not go there none at all.
She not come there. She not come there.
Kid girl.
To get there, I am going to get there. And the reason why I'm saying all of that is just to give you an idea of why I said what I want to say now.
Okay, alright.
Everything that he said, it happened, but his timing was very wrong. Every single thing that he said did happen, but the timing was wrong.
Yeah, what she said, look while. Let me cut and clear something. Hold on.
I want to go do the lie detector test.
We just cut and clear some things while we're at it.
Wrong. I, in fact, as I said, everything I said was true. I came on the 26th, which is the Friday, and I landed in Montego Bay sometimes after 2. I left from
Lie.
So for the investigators, right? It was actually I gave some hints, but only one person alone we see came close to actually figuring out that puzzle. And I can call that person in. That person is Tiger. Okay? That's the only one that we see. We see him on him live stream and him Editorial and him say, because him pay attention enough, but we just want him to really pay attention. That is what Tiger really at the work that he's taking. It's a good work. We want him really pay attention. Because he must be hearing a process. And he must listen to me and he must say, okay, yeah, the time on Shanique phone, him keep on saying, the time on Shanique phone. So what is the time on Shanique phone? The time on Shanique's phone is Atlanta time. The phone did not convert. Okay?
Him is a wicked.
It only takes someone who is really thinking critically to figure out the puzzle. When she said after 6, it was on her phone. When she said she's on the line waiting at 6:50, it's actually 5:50 Jamaican time. The sequence of time when Shanika talk about,
that's what I'm telling you now.
Window to pick up.
That's what I'm telling you, say everybody has time sync, regardless if you want to put it before 7 or after 7. The principal time sync, Mr. T time sync, everybody has time sync. A fear alone out. So the 3 consistency one, a fear time alone out.
Tiger, me not question. But you know, me not understand when she said she come for a friend and a little boy, when I just say hi and bye. Remember me as the picnic one time my brother come down for a friend or cousin, me got each up by doorway because them bring something can come give me. So what kind of beef she and a little boy gonna have so?
Jayden seems to be like an introvert though, like him no. You know, like talky like that.
Yeah,
like
I understand
shy.
talky part, but come on, somebody come down from front. If I even walk, you know, it's 6 somebody in the house. If you can
Because she had no relation with him.
So what
She's a
kind of beef you
wicked.
couldn't have with him, so?
And a beef. She's a wicked girl. She never care for him. You ever hear she say she carry down one shoes or one sneakers or nothing for him? She say her mother do everything.
So
You know one thing I'm find out too. You know everything I'm find out too. I don't know if I may take it too far or not. But me here she say she was very bright in her school too, so like it's a competition with the other little kid. She said she was very bright. Yeah, she was very bright too. But I think when she said that, she was saying because she was so bright, she never ever do no evening class.
Because she said to the live them, man.
Yeah.
When she hear people, I say she gonna take extra class for the principal.
Yeah.
Why? But she don't listen to the live though, but she's very up to date. Very up to date with everything.
She listen, I don't know. I think the best thing what she should do, I can't say rap on the media, but she should come give me an interview.
Alright. Okay, so for all of the yeah, I know it's not easy. You know. But the thing is this though, right? They're looking at the inconsistency between what you said, right?
Let me tell you, so, and I get it, you know, and let me tell you, to be honest, yeah, boss, if I was on the outside, I would probably think it the same thing. I'm not going to lie. Because to me, it just doesn't add up. And even us, we're still clueless. We're still trying to figure out what the hell happened, like where. And I understand, and I say, the fact that there was a incident prior to the incident, that is where the issue is. And that is why when a lot of people are talking about, oh, hey, enough search wasn't done. But the thing is, because the two things happen simultaneously, it kind of affects how, one, the investigation would go. Because the fact that it happened, then automatically you're going to think, okay, probably he felt some way and decided that he's not coming home. So in our head, it would be like, okay.
I better line that again, you know. I better line that Bella said the little boy just feel somewhere and I say now go. I better line that I better line. You can't tell you, I'm play back. I'm matter of fact, I'm gonna search you me live them. Then they need to stop this going. They need to stop this going ground.
That's why I say going round.
Alright, if you go on friend yard, parent hold him and just kind of whatever. You know what I'm saying, like that.
You know what the interview start off with? You know this interview start off with? She don't know Pedro. That's it. I don't know who that is. That's it. You see that? If you see if it wasn't a script with them plan, Yard Boss would have dived into that.
Yes.
Yard Boss would have dived into that. And when we want to ask Shanice right now, say right now, I'm gonna tell you something. You see, fam, with the last news when we get about Pedro, I'm gonna tell you something. Me take off my hat to Shanice. Me Carol second pick me take off my hat to her. That girl is dangerous. Me afraid of she.
You know him edit out. You know he edited the interview, right? There's parts of it where him cut out.
Yeah.
If you listen to it, it says the part where clip out of it. So there's a lot more that she may have said. But why you don't want to put those parts to the public?
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Do it in a series.
No, man. In between. Is like
I know, but that's what I'm saying. He cut it up because even when I was listening to it first, him said the people him tap up the screen because him got edit out all of the first part and him got edit out shit. Him said that. Him said. So he knows that he can chop and turn them.
And this interview is either she was prepped for it, because I know normally prep the people then.
Not either.
I give the benefit of the doubt because I wasn't there.
The whole light stage.
Why I say this is, you see when the interview start, it's like the recording, normally the recording will probably start in the middle of the conversation. hello, who is this? This is Shanique. Oh, you just, somebody's calling, I just start a record from...
Hold on
No.
there. Look where the comments say. Right? The comments say, she lie, them go the Costa lower and upper sixth farm together.
Yeah,
How she don't know per job.
She know him.
Let me tell you something.
Just like how
she don't know him. She never heard about him. So she leaves school before him and them are the same age. You ever seen nothing like this yet? No. Have you guys ever seen anything like this yet?
you probably repeat, but she knows him.
You know, so the comments say look a while. Upper and lower something. A screenshot with a screenshot that comment the card. Then feel like say them take with feed.
No, we probably need to screenshot. We need to ask this person some more questions. Wait there. I can't even screenshot. But no, screenshot on the tablet.
May I tell you say we're good, man. We're good.
Okay.
That was really what was going through our head. Like, okay.
Yes, we can be friendly now. Guys, me I beg you no lion there or something, one tiger or something. Beg you no lion or something.
This is what I'm saying to you, right? And as I said, this conversation is going to be between me and you. It's not going anywhere, right?
You see this? They say if this not straight, if this not stage, Carol is not my mother. If this not stage, Carol is not my mother. What me say to you? Him have to say them here, make it sound like it real, like she no know say, make it look like I plan this.
And you can answer or you cannot answer, right? When Mr. T said see you at 9 o'clock in the morning at the pharmacy, why would he say something like that? So he said he saw you at 9 o'clock and then he saw you again at 3 o'clock. Why would he say that?
Alright, so let me tell you something about Mr. T. Mr. T is an introvert and he is an alcoholic. In order for him to speak to anyone, he has to be drinking.
That's your stepfather.
That is my stepfather, and I call him daddy because he's the only father who knows that was 3 months old.
Yeah.
Alright? So this is him, and even if I visit the home and Mr. Hi, you're good, that's it, and him go in the room and that is it. You never see him again. Because he's just not a very talkative person.
No, but you not answer my question, Shanique. Why would you
I am
say
going to get there. Going to get there. And the reason why I'm saying all of that is just to give you an idea of why I said what I want to say now.
You hear? I chip her if the chip is
It happened, but his timing was very wrong. Every single thing that he said did happen, but the timing was wrong. In fact,
alright. When you hear that from the goat's mouth, the horse's mouth, right? Alright. Remember what she just said look while? Alright.
Alright, so your stepdaughter now, because nobody know, you already year old thing on the like name like you already year.
Remember what she said? She said everything that come out of Mr. T mouth is true apart from the day. So we're gonna listen. Forget the day for a little bit. And we're gonna listen to what Mr. T said compared to what she said. I'm telling you, my source say they don't believe that Jayden was unalive on the Friday. And my source tell me, and I never put it out here because me say she never tell me said them know that 100% that was their feelings. You understand? So anyway, let's go back into this right now. She said whatever Mr. T said is 100% facts. None of it is tiger or lion, it is all facts.
My stepdaughter Friday Friday morning reach hospital.
Yeah.
Release him. You understand? She no come here. She no come right.
So you can't defend her not
No, but no, we can't defend her. Because Jayden was in school when she in the hospital.
Yes.
When we left hospital, she left with the baby. Me and my wife and them are go home.
Yeah.
You know, I'm sorry.
Alright. You see, you hear him just a while. Him and the crocodile and goat go home. That is the reason why I'm saying me pick up back who me carry. Me pick up back who me carry. Me go for the daddy and the bigger brother. Because I him and Goatee and the crocodile. That's the reason why I'm saying pick up back who him carry.
I tell you.
So while Jayden gone up on the road, where was she at that time?
When no, we wouldn't know where Jayden go because they tell me the hospital.
No, man. While Jayden was school,
Shanique and his friend named Tommy when they in our area, so was spiritual at the same time. Go freshen up because
Now, I want to listen to the question that is being asked because a lot of us are getting it mixed up and saying they're all over the place. But anybody over the place is L.A. Lewis, not him. Listen to him question and listen if this is a junkie man.
you know carry no clothes for family. So he just goes.
No. You hear him say him no carry no clothes and foreign. But yet still, the itinerary where she give us have a carry-on bag on it. But you no carry no clothes and foreign. So why you having that bag them? What in the bag where you carry on bag when upon the itinerary where you give with? Why in it? Because you say you no carry no clothes and foreign, Mr. T say you no carry no clothes and foreign, you say everything Mr. T say is true. So what happened to that carry-on bag when upon the itinerary that you give with? Is it fact that you have an itinerary with no bag when a carry-on bag that upon it? The one where you actually go on? I'm just asking the question for your friend.
Virtue back to me, tell you back to me white boss.
Yeah, but what about time?
I really remember time like that now early morning. Early morning, Patrick.
No, what we're talking about the time now when Jayden supposed to that school. Yes, until him got the local fast food place. Yes, and at that time, you know were on the road hustling. Yes, and so that's now. But we were Shanique at the time.
Shanique and Tommy, that's spiritual. Yes, that's spiritual.
Yeah, but the thing now, no.
You hear the question say? When Jayden went to the fast food place to go buy the food, that is Little Caesar. Where was you, Mr. T? Him say him did the on the road at hustle.